Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious garlic and mango pickle. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh garlic and firm, unripe mangoes. We'll also use a blend of aromatic spices like mustard seeds, fenugreek, and chili powder. Don't forget good quality oil and vinegar, which are crucial for preserving our pickle and giving it that authentic tangy flavor. Getting these ready is the first step to a fantastic homemade treat. Now, let's get our main ingredients ready. Start by peeling and thinly slicing approximately 2 cups of fresh garlic cloves. Next, wash and dice 3 large unripe mangoes into uniform 1-inch pieces. This size helps them absorb the flavors evenly. After dicing, lightly salt the mango pieces and let them rest for about 2 hours. This step helps draw out excess moisture, which is important for the pickle's texture and shelf life. It's time to cook our pickle base. Heat about 1 cup of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your whole spices, like mustard and fenugreek seeds, and temper them until they become fragrant. Then, add the prepared garlic and mango pieces, cooking them gently until they are slightly softened. Finally, stir in your ground spices and 1/4 cup of vinegar, ensuring everything is well combined and simmering nicely. Once your pickle is cooked, it's crucial to let it cool down completely to room temperature. This prevents condensation and helps maintain its quality. Carefully transfer the cooled pickle into clean, sterilized, airtight glass jars. Make sure the jars are completely dry. Store your delicious homemade garlic and mango pickle in a cool, dark place for at least 1 week. This resting period allows the flavors to meld beautifully before you enjoy it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.